Hey, my friend, let's talk about professionally prospecting new teammates for your network marketing business. Not spamming, not lurking in groups trying to start unauthentic conversations till you go blue in the face, or your fingers grow calluses from being in your DMs all day long. I'm talking about professionally prospecting, the kind of prospecting that attracts leaders because they see what you're doing and they want to do the same thing. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Wired to Crush It show. My name is Tanya Eliza. I am your host. This is the place where we talk all about business, marketing, and money strategies to grow a wildly successful life. So if you love that kind of stuff, tap the subscribe button and make sure that you're subscribed to the show. I have been in the network marketing profession since 2009, building my business 100% online using automated recruiting and team building processes and systems. I have built a multiple seven-figure brand and business, so I know a thing or two when it comes to putting this in place. Number one, you have to be doing things that people see that you're doing and they would want to do the same thing themselves. The way that you approach your prospects is going to be something that they're evaluating, and they're going to be thinking to themselves, is that something that I also can do and want to do? Number two, you have to have systems set up that attract leaders. Leaders love leverage and they understand the value in them. What I found is that the question most people have before they make a team joining decision is, can I do this? And how would I find people that would be remotely interested in this thing that I'm looking to join or be a part of? So how do you answer that question when somebody says, how do I find people that want to do this? And if your answer is dance on Reels or TikToks, hang out in Facebook groups or communities and try to find the right people, talk to your friends and family, or post on social media till you're blue in the face, this is not going to be very attractive to them. Heck, is it attractive to you? And the biggest thing is it's not sustainable. If you stop any of those activities, guess what? Your production stops. And this is exactly why you need to be thinking about having an automated selling system in place for your business. This is exactly how I've been able to enroll 1,008 teammates in my network marketing career. Now I'm going to explain to you how this automated selling system works, especially in my business. But before I do, I want to let you know that I have a free masterclass that you can watch where I pull back the curtains and I dive deeper with this. You can see this in action, and you can also learn how you can put this together for your business that it is that you're in. This free masterclass is ready. It's recorded. You can watch it immediately, and you can grab it in the show notes, or you can go to tanyaeliza.com/class. And this is called my Revenue Multiplier Masterclass. It's a very, very, very popular training that I have when you're learning how to build these automated selling systems on the interwebs that help you to enroll more people, get more customers, and do it on autopilot while you have a life. So there's 6 steps to this, and it's really, really simple if you have the roadmap. Number one, you create a mini value offer that is going to attract your perfect teammate or your perfect customer. Number two, you strategically post that on social media, giving value. So most people are going around saying, hey, buy my stuff. Here's the features and here's the things that it can do. Here are the ingredients. You don't want to do that. You want to lead with value, and you want that value to weed out the people that are perfectly ready for your product, business, or service that it is that you're promoting. So we have a very specific and strategic way of posting on social media so that you're showing up, you're giving value, and you're leading with that free mini value offer that you created. You see me do this every single week when I come out on social media and I do my posting. And the reason why I do it is because it works. So you're not going out there and directly prospecting everybody that has a pulse. You're only attracting the people that are interested in the benefits that you put together in that mini value offer. And in the Revenue Multiplier Masterclass, we show you how to do that. Number 3, the people that are interested from you posting your mini value offer, they're interested in those specific benefits, they're going to give you their name, email, and phone number, and they're going to raise their hand and say, I'm interested. Now, these are the people, trust me, that you absolutely want to be sharing with. They're not going to waste your time. 4, after they've given you their name and email and they've given you their details, they're going to see an offer page. And I show you an example of this in the Revenue Multiplier Masterclass. So shameless plug, go get registered for the masterclass. It is amazing. But they're going to see your offer, whether it is to join your team, depending on how you put your mini value offer together, or buy your products. Now, this happens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, behind the scenes while you're living your life. So you have people seeing your offer on autopilot, and you have the opportunity to sign people up and to sign customers up on autopilot as well. Not everybody is going to say yes right away, but you at least give them the opportunity, and some will join or buy from you right away. So they see your offer to join or take you up on your next step if you set this up correctly right after they give you their details. Number 5, I mentioned this. Some of the people that go through that automated selling machine, that sales funnel, are going to say yes right away, provided you put that offer in place correctly. And I get to show you all my examples in the Revenue Multiplier Masterclass. And I'll tell you what, autopilot sales and signups are pretty dang cool. The 6th step is pretty fun and pretty cool when you learn how to do this and you learn how to do it right. The people that don't take you up on the offer right away, they have an interest in the benefits because they gave you their information and they wanted your free mini offer. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them into a 5 email sequence campaign where these emails go out for 5 days. They get 1 email a day. These emails are constructed in a certain way that gets them closer to buying or joining decision. So we strategically put these emails together to showcase testimonials, give more information, and I like to hit every different personality type in the message in the emails. There's some psychology that goes into that, and you'll learn more in the masterclass, but I like to put those emails together in that way. These emails are going to just help you drip on those people that are interested in some way and bring them closer to saying yes with you. So there's a strategic way to do this. Again, I talk about it in the masterclass, but you have to know as part of this automated selling system that you're building, some people are going to say yes right away through the sales funnel, and some people are going to need a little bit more information. This 5 message sequence that we have that we put in place, and we show you how to do this, is really important because it brings people closer to you as the brand. It lets them feel more comfortable with you. It gives them more information. And if you can do that, you're going to bring your prospects to a buying decision faster. When you have this in place for your business and you're using this system, you're using this tool to get people interested, bring them in, and have an automated way for them to see the information and to also do follow-up with them. When you have this in place, this makes you extraordinarily more attractive to the people who are also coming through your funnel, because they're going to be experiencing the funnel and they're going to be thinking to themselves, well, can I do this? Like, can I offer value that's fun out on social media versus telling people to just buy my stuff, and lead being like a used car salesman, which nobody wants to do. But if you teach them how to give value and you're like, hey, here's how you do it, and you give them something that they can actually feel confident and excited going out there and sharing, the system is going to do a lot of the heavy work for them and for you if you have this in place for your business. It's not going to do all the work. I would be lying if I said just sit back, relax, and do nothing. This is still a business and you still have to operate as such, but you have this system in place to make sure that you never run out of people who are interested in the benefits of your business, joining you and your team, or your products that you are selling. And I can't stress enough how important it is to get the details on how this looks and how it all comes together in the free masterclass that we have put together for you. So make sure to head over to tanyaliza.com/class, get your hands on that masterclass and take it very seriously for your business, because if you implement this, you will be showing up professionally and you will professionally be in a place to attract leaders and build a big team globally fast. And again, this is how I've enrolled over 1,000 teammates in my network marketing career. Here are some action steps. Register for the masterclass. take some time, take the notes, take your action steps, and put them into place to create this automated selling system for you and your business. You'll have something that you'll be able to leverage and help you in your business immensely. Check the show notes below wherever you're tuning into this episode, because I always leave a bunch of extra cool resources that can also help you totally crush it in your business. Subscribe to the show if you love this type of information. Share this with anybody that you think would find value in it as much as you. And thank you so much for tuning in. Now let's go crush our week.